Hello everyone, welcome back to our BADRI Intelligence series. If you are new to business intelligence, check out our previous video to understand the impact of BI and discover how it empowers your organization. Today we are going to discuss leading BI tools according to the Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and business intelligence platforms. First up in our video is Microsoft Power BI, the market leader for BI. Here are few of its key features. Power BI's star schema optimizes data storage, enabling faster queries and easier management of complex datasets. Seamless integration with other Microsoft tools, enabling real-time analytics and machine learning capabilities. Power BI allows you to create unique visualizations using R and Python scripts, extending Power BI's built-in visualization capabilities. Transforms data into engaging stories with interactive charts, maps, and many more. Power BI can handle millions of rows swiftly with its in-memory engine, ensuring quick insights every time. Now, next in our list is Tableau, data visualization powerhouse. Tableau offers an intuitive way to interact with data using visual query language, VizQL, with no coding required. A standout feature is Tableau's ability to blend data from multiple sources in real time, giving you unified view. Another highlight is dynamic parameters, allowing users to instantly adjust views, making your presentation interactive and engaging. Tableau's Show Me feature stands out by offering instant chart suggestion that best suits your data. Finally, Tableau enables powerful data storytelling, turning your insights into interactive and memorable narratives. Next, we have Qlik Sense, unlocking deeper insights. Qlik's associative model lets you explore data freely, uncovering hidden insights and connections that might be missed otherwise. With Chat Advisor, simply ask questions in natural language, and Qlik provides you instant answers and visualizations as well. Thanks to Qlik's in-memory processing, you can experience lightning-fast data retrieval and analysis. Qlik empowers users with self-service analytics, allowing them to create reports and dashboards without needing technical expertise. Finally, Qlik transforms data into compelling stories, helping drive stakeholder engagement with powerful data storytelling. We have just scratched the surface of these powerful BI tools. Choosing the right BI tool depends upon your organization's specific need. This is where we come in. With the decade of experience in business intelligence services, we can guide you to choose the best possible tool for your organization. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.